Real-world learning in the Lee Summit School District. What is real-world learning and why does it matter? Every student deserves to discover and pursue their real-world potential. This is why the Kauffman Foundation has partnered with stakeholders across the greater Kansas City region to support an initiative called Real-World Learning. It is a Kansas City community initiative to help prepare our region, students, and employers for the future. In a real-world learning community, learners are prepared for work, school, and life after high school graduation. Before we dive into the scope and scale of what this will look like here in Lee Summit, let's start by defining some key concepts. At the simplest level, real-world learning consists of experiences that help students connect what they are learning in school to the world outside of school. It is learning in context of work and of a student's own interests, passions, and strengths. Though real-world learning happens in many different places, times, and ways, our initiative focuses on real-world learning that takes place as an intentional part of school and of our education system. This map shows in full color the districts who are now opting into this work. They are color-coded to represent their cohort, as there are different cohorts of districts. Cohort 1 districts, which is where Lee Summit is, represented in green, applied for and received grants in the summer of 2019 to support a design and plan year. In the spring of 2020, they pitched a 3-year strategic plan for how they will implement real-world learning into their districts. Cohort 2, in blue, just received their design and plan grants, and Cohort 3 will start in early 2021. LSR7 has cast a vision of the Lee Summit School District graduate of the future by identifying key characteristics that are foundational skills for all students. This is known as our portrait of a graduate. In order for our graduates to leave with these skills and dispositions, we need to provide authentic learning opportunities, beginning with our youngest learners all the way through until they graduate. We are expanding opportunities for our students throughout our system by engaging students in elementary exploration, igniting passions in middle school, and providing experiences to students in high school that support specific industry sectors and career readiness. There is importance of early exposure for students, staff, and parents, so there is an openness in defining an individual student's success. Success is not defined by a series of completion of prerequisite courses. Rather, we define success as a culmination of meaningful experiences that allow a student to consider multiple paths, take risks, pursue passions, and build a bridge to a future beyond K-12 education. We would like to provide these authentic, real-world learning opportunities utilizing what we are calling Diploma Plus. Our students will not only graduate with their diploma, but they will also leave with employer-recognized skill sets. Diploma Plus is stemming from the Kauffman Foundation Real-World Learning Grant LSR7 has received. By gaining immersive experiences across a multitude of interests, industries, and employers through real-world learning projects and internships, learners gain the skills to navigate their future. Mutually, business partners can participate to help share and prepare today's students to become the talent of tomorrow. When students complete these experiences, they earn what Kauffman is calling a market value asset. Market value assets, or MVAs, can be either a work experience in the form of an internship, youth apprenticeship, or client-connected project. In a client-connected project, students analyze and solve authentic problems given to them by a business partner. Students can also earn these MVAs through college credit of 9 or more hours, earning a regionally vetted industry-recognized credential, or by participating in an entrepreneurial experience. For years, our district has offered programs that have real-world learning connections. There are several programs in place that already allow students to earn MBAs. Some of those programs include on and off campus dual credit opportunities, IB, Seal of Biliteracy, career and technical education courses including Herndon Career Center, Cass Career Center, Summit Technology Academy, as well as 38 areas of focus in the career clusters, which include strong internships. We also have special services students that work in our community. Our district can't do this work without a formalized process for onboarding business partners in a consistent manner. In order to scale these experiences for students, we realize that each student will need support to make this a reality. The Board of Education has approved career navigator positions to support teachers and students with community connections. We have also implemented a data portal called Transio to help track MVA data and formalize business and education partnerships. LSR7 is reimagining the classroom experience through Diploma Plus. Focusing on strengths, needs, and interests will bring unique experiences to each student.